What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be filming my bike ride. So yeah, I'm gonna film my bike ride. So let's turn away so I don't show the mailbox. So yeah, turn away like that. Let's get everything booted up. Garmin, okay, let's see. Also, it's dark, so I'm gonna need to turn my lights on. So I get the 2500 on this. It's a 5000 light, so yeah. Okay, we'll get my road cycling. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, my heart's already working. My speed's working. Let's wake up the cadence. Oh, what's that sound? That doesn't sound good. Ouch. Ouch. Hold on, I gotta go look what that is. That doesn't look good. Okay, let's see. What is that? Ouch. Ouch. Okay, let's try to maybe... I'm gonna try to... Okay, let's blend it inward a little. Okay, yeah. Okay, fixed. It just needed a little blending. Not bad. Okay, now the rear light. Okay, sorry. I'll get it on flashing. The front light. Okay, plug it in. We're got... Oh, sorry. 59, I think that was. Let's see. Let's see. I think that's okay. Let's see. Okay. That's 5000. So yeah, I need to wake up the battery like that. Okay, that's 5000. Alright, so yeah, check my mirrors, okay. So yeah, I got my turn signals. We'll put the left signal on. Okay, my cadence is awake. We'll start the workout. Okay. Okay, I don't need my turn signal anymore. Okay, I'm stuck in second gear. It will not go into first right now for some reason. And just adjust the mirrors real quick and then leave them alone. Because, yeah, they keep coming out of adjustment. Okay, and then the left side. Left side, we'll get that adjusted. Let's see, can I... Come on, I can't really see that well. Let's see, come on. Okay, see, I'm gonna leave it alone once I get it adjusted. Let's see, no, that's the right lane. Okay, that's the left lane. I'm gonna go with that view. Okay, that one's good. Okay. So yeah, I got 2 bells here. I got a horn. So yeah. Oh, also my dad just did a repair. My rear brake was loose. Let's see how that is. Let's try it. A little better. Let's try that again, maybe. Let's try like both of them. Ouch, yeah. The front squeaks. I told him, but he said it was good, and clearly it's not. Let's try both of them. No. Okay, so yeah, it squeaks, but like overall I have decent braking performance. Let's see. So yeah, my brakes, yeah, I think it's still okay. Check on how I'm doing here. 7 miles an hour, 112 beats per minute. We can go faster. I'm up in the 3rd gear. I was in 2nd. My derailleur will not do first right now. Okay. I'll stop for the sign. Yeah, that's not good. He says it's good, but yeah, it's not. Okay, yeah, we're good. I'm in third gear. Let's get up to speed. Okay, this feels like about 10 miles an hour. I don't want to look at my bike computer too much. Okay, so battery indicator shows 1, but that's not very accurate. I use this more. There's a percentage down there. Take a drink. Ooh, man, I'm cold. Huh, what's the temperature out? It's like 70 maybe? Oh my god, I'm cold. I did not wear any pants or a jacket, so yeah, that's gonna be rough. Okay. Okay, there's a car there. Man, you can see the reflections. You can see the reflections of the signs from my light. Let's see, 9 miles an hour, 128. Let's wait for this headwind to go away because it's a loop, so yeah, I'll have a tailwind shortly. Let's wait for that to go away. Okay. Cadence 75. Okay, 133. Okay, we're good there. Oh, I don't want to film those people. Let's look away. Hi. Okay. Oh man. I don't have a power meter, but I would estimate I'm doing about 80 watts right now. Okay, there's a car there. I can still stay in my lane. I don't need the signal. Okay, check the mirrors. Oh, there's a car behind me. Okay. It's in the right lane. Okay. Okay, they're moving over. Okay, yeah, they're moving over. We're good. And I'm coming up to a stop sign. Oh, they're braking. I'll shift down to second gear. I was in fourth. I'll use the turn signal. Okay. I'll use the rear brake. Let's not use the front. I'll use the rear. Like that. Okay. Oh, hi. Oh, don't want to film. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let that car go. Okay. And now I'm gonna go. Okay. Oh, okay, this road is easier. I think the wind is a little different here. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna go faster. I'm in fourth gear. Oh, that's a little rough there. Okay. Let's go fifth gear. How about fifth? Okay, let's do that. A little hard. 12 miles an hour. 12 miles an hour, not bad. Okay, what are we doing? Oh, 13. Cadence, 88. 160 pulse. I'm gonna shift up to 6. Oh man, I'm actually doing pretty good today. Huh. 15. I'm doing 15. This is not an electric bike, by the way. Okay. Let's see. 14.8. Okay. Okay. 177 heart rate. Okay. 179. My legs are on fire. Oh my god. Okay, use my brakes. Okay, let's shift down. Okay. Okay, those people, let's not film them. Hi. Use the brake. Replace my bottle. Okay, check my mirrors real quick. Okay, we're good there, and we're good there. Okay, what's my percent? Let's check that. Okay, sorry. I can't. 38. Okay, that's not great. Okay, check my angle. Sorry if I got my finger there. Okay, I think my angle's okay. See, I got my heart rate on my chest. It's a Garmin HRM. Got my heart rate. Let's see, 132, 7 miles an hour. Let's burst again. Come on. Okay. Okay, Okay, so we're still at like 38% on the bike light. Let's see, how about we do 2,500? This is 5,000 right now. Let's see, so yeah, as you can see, it's brighter than a car light, which is pretty crazy. Let's drop you down to 2,500. Okay, I can still see, I still feel safe, but that will help save the battery. So I dropped down to 25. Okay. Oh. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, my light's about the same as the other light, but it's at half brightness right now. So yeah, my light is definitely brighter than the car's. Oh. Okay, let's try 1,250 or 1,200. I don't know what it's exactly. 1,250, 1,200. Okay, I still feel okay. What if we drop down to low beam? That's 2,000. Oh, okay. Okay, that's 1,000. That's 500. I still feel okay. That's a little dim, maybe. Let's try the high beam. So that would be... That's 3,000. How does it compare to the full one? 5,000. So yeah. So yeah, that's 3,000 right there. Let's do 15. 750. 750 is nice, actually. We can do that. That's 750. Okay. Turn signal as a car. Okay, use the signal back. Also, what's cool is this light's actually a brake light. If you look at my hand, I'm gonna pull the brake. Yeah, that brake is squeaking. I'm gonna send him a portion of this video and let him know that it's still squeaking. And he said, oh, just put full power, watch. It still squeaks. My brake isn't towed in correctly, so yeah, he needs to do that. Also, it's a bit weak. He needs to tighten it. Let's see. Oh, hi. Okay, yeah, I don't want to film people, so I'm going to look away every time that happens. Okay, oh, we're coming up with a signal. Okay, let's do... Oh, okay, look away. Okay, I don't want to film, so I'm gonna look away. Like that. Okay, well that's what, 1,500? Let's bump it up to 25. Like that. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to turn off my signal. Huh, I wonder, what is the temperature? I'm actually kind of cold. Uh... 74. Huh. It does not feel like 74. Oh well. Let's see, how's my heart doing? 119, 4.4. Okay. Let's kick it up. Let's go back up to... That's third gear. Fourth. How about... Oh man, that's silly. Okay. Let's see. I'm almost done, so I'm gonna say 5,000 because yeah, that's 5,000. Car light, my light. Man, that's great. Okay, we are 125, 8 miles an hour, not bad. Let's go. Okay. Let's see if the wind will die down a bit. Okay. Oh, turn signal, there's a car in the way. Check mirrors. Okay, nothing. Okay, now the same thing. Okay, that car. Okay, I'm gonna signal. Okay, oh, okay, they're behind me, but yeah, I'm signaling, so I'm good. Oh, there's a car behind me. I see the glare in my mirror. Okay, let's see. They turned. Okay, we're good. Oh, and more cars. Okay. I'll use my horn. Oh man, I'm going fast. Let's go. Hell yeah. For 15 miles an hour. Oh. Come on. Okay. 92 cadence. Okay, I gotta stop. I'll use the front brake. Okay, let's do this. What's my... Oh man, that's high. Okay. 160 pulse, let's go. Oh man, I'm having a hard time. Come on. Okay, I'm still showing 0. Okay, now we're going. 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can get up. Come on. Oh man. Oh. God. I'm gonna call this my last round. And then yeah, we're going home. Let's make this round count. Come on. Oh my god. I did not see them for a sec. So yeah, I don't want to film. Every time that happens, I'm gonna look away. Okay, car there. Oh, there's a big headwind. Let's push. Oh, 11 miles an hour. Okay, maybe downshift. Okay. I downshifted until I think it was 40. Okay. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay. I'm not gonna downshift anymore. Let's make this count. Oh man, that's dark. Yeah, without my light. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm cheating. I had my hands on my leg. Let's not do that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, my heart is at 175 right now. Okay, dodge that reflector. Okay, signal. Okay, now I need to signal back. Okay. And there's a stop sign, so I'll signal. Then I'm turning left. Okay. I think he saw the signal. Okay, I'm downshifting for the sign. $158. Okay, give my heart a break. Okay, let's go. Come on. By the way, guys, I run my tires at 65 psi. That's the maximum rated for it. 40 to 65. Okay, let's go. Don't need my signal anymore. Ring the bell. Okay. Road reflector. The shocks that I get from it, not great. Okay, I'm in second gear. That's the lowest I can go. Okay, let's make this count. Let's not limp home in second gear. Let's go back up. Third gear. Come on. Okay, we are in, because that's gonna be fourth gear if we go up. Let's go. Fourth gear. Okay. Okay. Fourth gear. Okay, there's a car behind. Okay, we are in. Well, okay, so that's like what, zone 3 for my heart rate? Let's push. Let's push my last couple minutes. So that's 5th gear, I believe. 15. Oh, man, this is fast. I love it. Hey, 15, 7, 16. Let's go. 17. Oh my God. My legs are on. Okay, brake. Oh, signal. Okay, didn't work. Oh, my pulse is so high. I'm rolling back. Oh. Oh, I almost slipped. Okay. Stand on the pedal to help me push up. Okay. I need water. Oh my God. Oh, my legs feel weird. Oh, stop the workout. See how I performed. I went 3.9 miles. Okay. My scores are not great. I can't seem to get them above like 2.5. Power off. Okay, let's see what we're at on the 28. Okay, I'm gonna leave that running until I get that in the garage. I'm gonna turn this off before I forget. Okay. Collect my phone and my GoPro bag. Oh, by the way, tire pressure. Tire pressure gauge. Yeah, I do my own tires. My parents don't do it for me. Yeah. They're not doing my tires. I am 16 after all. If I were like 5, yeah, they would probably inflate my tires for me, but yeah. Oh, drop the keys. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh. Man. I'm looking down. I don't want to show too much. I'll cover the camera quickly. And then we can look at the stats on my phone. I just don't want to show too much, so yeah. I'm covering it. Okay. I'm gonna look back down to myself. Okay, we'll open. Oh, close that. Oh. Let go of the brake. There's a car. Well, yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Oh, okay, the brake still squeaks a bit. Okay. Let's push my bike into the garage. Okay, I'm gonna have to help with my hand. I can't. I'm gonna get the front wheel where I want it. Put the park brake on. And I'm gonna drag the rear into place. Oh. Oh, did I touch the gears with my... Oh, I hate that. Okay, I keep getting bike oil all over my hands. Bikes are not very clean. And that light is hot. Turn that off. Unplug it. Unplug it. I just hate when that happens. That's oil from the drivetrain. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Oh, it's a front camera. Okay. Okay, cover the camera, forgot, okay. Oh, the front, is my dad seriously triggering the front camera? Okay, let me, so yeah, well, let's wash. Okay, that did not come off, I'm gonna need soap. Okay, let's see, did that work? Okay, let's see, how did that do? Okay, that came almost. Oh, I'm gonna use hot water. Let's try hot. Okay, let's try hot water. And that pretty much came off. Okay, the hot water did not come in yet. Let's try one more time. And let's see, how did that do? That is pretty much out. Man. Okay, hot water's coming in now. Let's use more flow to get it faster. Okay, let's put hot water on it. Let's see. Okay, let's try one more soaping. And so that's kind of hot, it's starting to burn, but yeah, let's get that oil. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna call that good. Okay, wait, and we can go look at my stats. Okay, dog outside, that's someone's dog. Anyway, let's go look at my Garmin Connect. Oh, cover the camera. Don't show too much. Okay, we can look at my stats. Go to Garmin. Refresh. Yep. Pull up the last workout. Don't show. Okay, let's see. Don't show the map. So yeah, it already closed out. So yeah. Well, actually, what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot and I'll enlarge it for the camera in case someone can't see it. Okay. Oh, don't show my pictures. Good. Okay, we're in. So average speed, 7.9. Average moving, 9 miles an hour, 17.2. Nice. That was actually pretty hard. Okay, total time. Okay, 26 moving. Okay, we're good there. Average heart rate, 141. 196 is my max. Okay. Primary benefit base, 2.5, 2.4, aerobic, anaerobic. This is out of 5, so about average. Exercise load, 79. That's pretty typical for me. Resting calories, that's my calories, 213. Estimated sweat loss, 303. Glyc cadence, 65. Max, 112. Total ascent, 3 feet. Total descent, 3. Max. It's a flat road, so yeah, not much ascent there. Average respiration, 27, 13, 40. Average temp, okay, 77 it started. Total cutoff stroke, 1664. Okay, not bad. So I'm gonna call that quit and... Oh, also, if you can see, I cracked the screen a little. I'm getting the S25 when it comes out, so yeah, I'm not gonna pay $400 for a new screen. I'm gonna get the S25 when it comes out, so yeah. Yeah, peace.